Watch this video before making another paper airplane. This is how to fold a piece of paper in half the right way. You gotta make sure you're on a flat and hard surface. So you wanna roll the paper and try to match the edges first. Don't make any creases. Pay attention to the corners. They need to match 100%. Hold the corners with your fingers, sweep down with your thumb, and make the crease. Finish the crease now from the middle. This is how you make a perfect paper airplane fold. Let's try again with the same steps. So step 1, we want to match the corners. Step 2, we want to hold them down. Step 3 is to sweep and make the crease in the middle. And we finish the crease. Yep, another perfect fold. See, it works every single time. Let's try folding the corners to the middle. A lot of paper airplanes have the same step. So we want to use the same technique. Let's bring the corner up and line up this edge. We're going to hold down the two corners, like so, sweep, and make the crease. The other corner is the same. We match things up, hold it down, make the sweep, and crease. Check out the point here and that these are perfectly lined up. Let's do the other side as well with the same technique. Let's match, match, hold down, and sweep. Make the crease. Perfect. And one last corner. Let's match, match, hold down, and make the crease. It does take a little practice to get good, but once you learn how to do it, your paper airplanes will come out perfect every single time. Good luck, happy folding, thanks for watching.